am Bear. In this video, I'm going to introduce how to pack your Python program into a EXE file that could run at any PC, even without a Python environment. So here I have my Python program in the previous tutorial video. And what we need to do is to open the terminal in this folder. And since we've already installed this library in previous video, PyInstaller and PyAuto-Py2exe. So what we need to do is to type in auto-py2exe on this terminal. And here will jump up a window. So location is where you need to select your work here. Copy this password. And then we need to pack it to one file. And then it's console based so that we could see the status and the information. And we need additional files in order to run without Python environment. So we choose add files and we go to this pathway where you install your Python. App data, local programs, Python 313, library, site pack, step 7, and library. And you can see this DLL file, which is a library file. And that's it. Convert the open output folder, and we can see the exe file here. And let's run it. Yep, you can run without any environment.